Hi friends, today we're doing lesson 16 كيف تعبر الشارع, which means how do you cross the road. So let's get started. And before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I am reading all your comments. The next lesson, which is كيف تعبر الشارع, which means how do you cross the road. هذه مدينة كبيرة, which means this is a big city. السيارة وحافلات كثيرة هنا, which means the cars and the buses are big over there. هي تجري بسرعة, which means they are going very fast. يقف الشرطي في وسط المكان, which means the police is standing in the middle of the place. هو يحمل صفارة, which means he is carrying a whistle. So we can see he has a whistle. دراجتي سريعة, which means my cycle is fast. انتبه, هناك سيارة تجري بسرعة, which means pay attention, over there is a car that goes fast. The next one, يركب التلاميذ الدراجات, which means the students are riding the bicycles. الدراجات بعيدة من السيارة, which means the cycles are far away from the cars. The next one is مفردات الجديد, which means new words. So the first one is رجل, which means a man. شارع, which means road. عامة, which means a blind man. شاحنة means lorry. إشارة المرور, which means traffic signals. عبور المشاة, which means pedestrian crossing. الضوء أحمر, which means red light. هذا شارع مزدحم, which means this road is crowded. العبور من هنا, which means the zebra crossing or the pedestrian crossing is over there. السيارة مسرعة, which means the car is very fast. الرجل يعبر الشارع, which means the man is crossing the road. الشرطي يساعد الرجل, which means the next one is حوار, which means conversation. ذلك رجل عامة, which means that is a blind man. هو يريد عبور الشارع, so the boy is saying he wishes to cross the road. So the other boy is saying هيا نساعد, which means come on, let's help him. So now تعال معنا يا جدي, so the boy is saying come on with us, oh grandfather. هذا المكان مزدحم, which means this is a crowded place. لا تعبر من هنا, so the boy is saying no, cross from here. تلك شاحنة مسرعة, so that is a fast lorry. The next one is انظر إلى إشارة المرور, which means look at the traffic signal. الضوء أحمر, which means the red light. هيا نعبر من مكان عبور المشاة, which means come on, let's cross from the place of the zebra crossing. إلى أين تذهب يا جدي, which means where are you going, oh grandfather. So the grandfather is saying إلى محطة, I'm going to the station. تعال معنا, come on with us. نحن ذاهبان إلى هناك. So the boy is saying we are both going. So ذاهبان means we both. So which means these two boys consist of we both. So we both are going over there. So the man is saying barakallah feekum, which means may God bless you. We are going to learn the dual form of the verb. So whenever there is a dual form of the verb, if there are two persons, if it is a masculine, we have to add alif and noon at the end of the verb. And if it is a feminine, if there are two feminine, then we have to add ta, alif and noon at the end of the verb. Okay, for example, in this first one, نحن ذاهبان إلى المحطة. So ذاهبان means we are both going to the station. And now if you want to say it for the feminine, we have to say نحن ذاهبتان. So we have to add ta, alif and noon at the end of this verb to show the dual form. So we are going to the house. إلى البيت. Okay. The next one we have to do it similarly. نحن. So we can see two men. So it is masculine form. نحن ذاهبان إلى المدرسة. So we both are going to the school. And over here نحن ذاهبتان إلى الملعب. So we both are going to the playground. Then نحن ذاهبان إلى المسبح. So we both are going to the swimming pool. نحن ذاهبتان إلى الحديقة. So we both are going to the garden. So the next one is اقرأ, which means to read. هذه مدينة كبيرة, which means this is a big city. وهذا شارع واسع, and this is a wide road. في الشارع سيارة وحافلات كثيرة, which means in the road there are many cars and buses. يقف رجل عما قريبا من الشارع, which means the blind man is standing near the street. يحمل حقيبة كبيرة, so he is carrying a big bag. هو يريد عبور الشارع, so he wishes to cross the road. يشاهد الولد الرجل, which means the boy has seen the man. يذهب إليه, so he goes to him. يحمل الولد الحقيبة ويمسك يد الرجل, which means the boy is carrying the bag and he is holding the man's hand. يقترب الرجل وولد من إشارة المرور, which means the man and the boy are going near the traffic signal. الضوء أخضر الآن, which means it is green light now. السيارات تجري بسرعة, which means the cars are going fast. يذهب الولد ورجل إلى مكان عبور مشاة, which means the boy and the man are going into the pedestrian crossing. تقف السيارات, which means the cars have stopped. يعبر الولد ورجل الأعمى الشارع, which means the boy and the blind man are crossing the road. يقف الرجل وولد أمام الحافلة, which means the man and the boy are standing in front of the bus. يركب الرجل ويركب الولد, so the man is riding and the boy is riding. هما ذاهبان إلى السوق, so they both are going to the market. So the next exercise is انظر إلى صورة, which means look at the picture and complete the sentence. So we see 4 different colored cars and they are going to different places. So we have to fill in the blanks with the respective color and the place. So the first one is done. السيارة الأحمر, which means the red car. ذاهب is going to where? So it's going to Makkah al-Mukarramah. So we have to write this word here. Okay. The next one. السيارة الصفراء, which means the yellow car. ذاهب going to Riyadh or Riyadh. So we have to write Riyadh here. السيارة الزرقاء, which means blue car. ذاهب إلى جدة, it's going to Jeddah. السيارة الخضراء, means green car. ذاهب إلى مدينة المنورة. So the next exercise is we have to answer the questions and write the appropriate answer. So the first one is من تساعد البنت, which means who is helping the girl. So we can see it is the mother, so we have to answer الأم تساعد البنت. The next one, أين يقف الشرطي, which means where is the police standing. الشرطي يقف في الوسط المكان, which means the police is standing in the middle of the place. من أين يعبر التلاميذ? So from where are the students crossing? يعبر على عبور المشاة, which means they are crossing by the pedestrian crossing. The last one, هل ضوء أحمر الآن? So is it the red light now? So it's not the red light, it's the green light, so we have to write لا. So the next exercise, we have to match the appropriate signs with the sentence. Okay, so the first one is اتجه إلى اليمين, which means proceed to the right or turn right. So it is this sign, so the number is اثنين or 2, and we have to write 2 here. اتجه إلى اليسار, which means proceed to the left. So this is the sign and the corresponding number is ثلاث, so I wrote ثلاث here. لا تعبروا من هذا المكان, so which means do not cross from this place. So this is the sign and this is the number أربعة, so I write أربعة here. عبروا من هذا المكان, which means cross from this place. So this is the sign and the number is 6, so I wrote it here. لا تقتربوا من هذا المكان, which means do not come near this place. So this is the stop sign which comes do not come, this is the sign which says do not come this place. So it is واحد. And انتبه الشارع ضيق, which means pay attention, it is a narrow road. So this is the sign and the number is 5.